plant or not. He did bring me my snacks. I get a little crabby. I wonder if they'll take off. Everything is everywhere. Okay, so we are disking up the oats and the alfalfa here at the homestead again today. We planted these oats in February. We just mudded them in, and we tried to work the ground then, but the conditions were just, it was really sticky. So today we're going to work the ground again so that we can get it ready to put it. Well, my disking videography is not going as planned because I brought the drone. I can't fly the drone and fly the tractor at the same time without a collision. And nobody's around to fly today. Dean's at his dad's, and Jason took a wheel, stole a wheel. It's always rob Peter to pay Paul. Is that how your farming operation goes? Well, that is kind of how it goes here. One of the planter wheels is, so he robbed a wheel. Thankfully the rake was the same size and we won't need it for a few days. So he robbed a wheel off the rake. He's dealing with the planter. Him and his cousin, or I don't even know what's going on over there. But they're dealing with the planter, and I was told to just keep on disking. So that's what I'm doing. I always thought I wanted to be a row crop farmer. And maybe it's because I don't have the fancy stuff. Not that we need it. Not that we need it. But dirt work's not as exciting when it's not as fun. And maybe it's just because the root system is so thick and the compaction is there. Which it's not really even compacted. It's just wasn't the best conditions when we did it the first time, so it made it a little bit bumpy. So, yeah, that's where we're at. We are just disking away. And somewhere in the mist from us mowing the other day, this field, I've lost my magnet now. I have no idea what I've done with it. Keaton handed it to me, and I don't know where I placed it. I thought it was in this tractor. I thought it was in here because I thought, oh, it'd be perfect. It's in here and I'll throw it on the disc with some great shots. Once again, y'all just get me. We call them hay nados, but I guess right now they're just dirt nados. Dust nados, I guess. We just a bit dusty. Bit bumpy. I don't know if we're gonna get it worked up enough tonight to plant or not. So if we don't plant tonight, because it's already 1:30, then I'm going to go deep diving for that magnet. So let's see, there's some other things. I had some question boxes out there on Instagram, so I thought maybe I would talk about a little bit of those today. Just to reiterate, if you don't follow me there, you can. Chronicles of Kayla _ that will get you to me. On average, for us to put up hay in a day between the two of us, we kind of have a routine that we follow, especially if there's hay already on the ground. So like we mow one day, then it sets the next day, and then the third day we typically, depending on the weather and what the sun and the humidity's doing, third day we bale. So ideally, for us to make a good day, we want to hit at least 1,200 bales. 1,200 to top out to about 2,200. Like 2,200 gets all the trailers that Jason has loaded. And then the next day, so day 4, everything's baled and it's sitting on trailers that morning, day 4, sitting in the trailers here at the hay barns, and then Jason unloads everything, and ideally, if everything's working right, we do it all over. So it's like rake and bale, same day, but a lot of times you can mow in different sections. However, this year, I'm not sure, honestly, how much hay we're going to produce. Like, for us, financially, this is getting in some numbers here, okay? For us, financially, to support the 4 of us at home and our family, we really need to put up no less than 25,000 small squares. That's being brutally honest. There's a drought, and it's definitely playing a part of how we are looking at everything. You know, the last 2 years we've had to deal with the cost of fertilizer and just everything on that side of things, like the outputs, expenses, the fertilizer, the diesel prices, just all that kind of thing. This year we're dealing with a Mother Nature God issue, and that is out of our control. There is no amount of fertilizer you can put on. If it does not rain, you can't fix that, and it's a hard reality. And where you really, you just gotta trust in your faith and pray on the good days just as hard as you pray on the bad days, and somehow it always works out. I used to be, well, I still am, let's just be honest, I still am. I'm a worrywart. Jason is very much fly by the seat of his pants. Nothing's going to stress him out. It is what it is. And he has always told me he will make it work. Like, the faith that he has in what we do and what I do, it blows my mind, because I lack that sometimes, and it shows. But farming is a big thing, and having income from year to year is a big thing. This hay business is our thing. Yeah, I share it on YouTube, but I'm telling you guys, I can go down there and sell a load of hay for what I'm making doing this. I'm not here to make millions. Lord knows I will put it to use if you all want to support it. If you guys keep viewing, keep watching, keep hanging out with us, we'll put it to use. But the whole reason we did this channel was to show you all and everyone else you can start at any point in your life. And it doesn't have to just be farming. You know, I left my finance career at the peak of it. Like, I was set to do big, great things. But mentally, and probably emotionally and physically, in all aspects, it was not the job for me. I tried to make it work. I wanted it to work. My colleagues wanted it to work. But at the end of the day, it did not make me happy. It didn't. You know what makes me happy? Sitting in a freaking tractor talking to y'all. So don't get just stuck. You know, don't be stuck in whatever career you're in or day-to-day life that you're in if you're not happy. Because it's not going to get any easier, guys. It's always going to be a challenge. But if you like what you do and you love what you do and you fuel that passion, it doesn't matter how shitty of a day you had. I said that, shitty. Because at the end of the day, there are bad days. Jason and I fight. You know, when you work with your spouse 24/7 and you never get a break from them, you know, marriage counseling is sometimes us not talking to each other. Or we go and do our own thing. Like today, like, we don't have radios to talk to each other. He's in one spot and I'm in another, and we're completely fine. We need those breaks every now and then. Are you guys having fun with my tractor chats? Tractor talk. Like TED Talks, I guess, with Kayla, right? I didn't mean to like preach at you guys. I never want to make you guys feel like I'm doing that. I try to keep keep it very, very level, but faith is a big thing. Faith in God, faith in what we do here, our story, and everything in between. That's what gets me through the day. You guys help get me through the day. I'll be honest, I wanted to quit. I wanted to give this up. And in February, I thought long and hard about telling you guys I wasn't coming to hay season this year. That I waited for a sign from God to say, hey, you need to keep doing this. And you guys know what? You guys did that. Some other amazing people did that. And we're still here. And we're going to be here for all of hay season until, I don't know when, but we're not going anywhere. And we're only going to get better. And we're going to improve. And I'm going to share our story. And I'm going to take you guys with us. And you guys are probably going to be sick of hay come September. And I always get like that. But we have some exciting news, and I just got confirmation yesterday. Yesterday was Friday, today's Saturday. You guys are gonna know about it next week. My heart is so incredibly blessed. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of our story. It means a lot. Okay, I've talked for way too long, you guys. I'm not even sure if I talked about anything I want to talk about. That's what happens. That's kind of obnoxious. But I guess I will move this hay that Jason left here. I thought he was taking it to the farm to unload it because I think there's still little squares sitting out in the field. So I will turn this around and then move that out of the way. My cute little trick. Well, I was working dirt. And then I ran Jalen over. And then Jason's like, hey, hop in that semi. So, picking up the last few squares baled yesterday. Take them home, unload them, and I don't know if I'm going to run another pass with the disc or if he's going to say it and field cultivate. Let him decide. We'll go from there. Oops. Are you gonna plant corn or are you gonna field cultivate today? Unsure? Got our seed corn picked up.
I'm gonna need it.
Just a minute, Jay. I'll be over there.
You know what number we're planting?
It's treated F2F genetic.
We'll put a little in as we go. Talc.
can honestly say I am tired of dirt work. We dissed it twice, now we're field cultivating it. It really, really needs a drink of water, but can't just go out there and turn the water hose on. So just make do with what we got, and Jason's got the planter going, and to see who I can convince into maybe catching some drone footage since Keaton's not here today. I don't know if you can tell who that is. Come on! Hurry up! One spoiled dog. Hurry up! He seen me get out and take Jason lunch, and we were checking seed over there, I guess. What you been doing? Come on. Get in if you're getting in. Come on. Alright, sit down. So we're planting corn. It's an FDN. That's fine.
I'm trying to see me a little better where my line is, but I think that's also helping me with the way I'm driving.
Did you lose the whole meter wheel? The whole wheel?
Hey, thanks, bye. Bye-bye.
That's what I need right there. Are you having fun?
We row cropping.
I hope those ladies are happy. How do you feel like it's going?
Not too bad. Twice as many acres last year. Not bad. Now we need twice as many next year.
Yeah.
Just keep working your way up.
Where are you going to put it? That's what I'm, yeah, I'm saying that. You go to.
Yeah, get this done, be back in the hay. Right?
I guess. It's like a rain day. I'm kind of tired. It is dusty.
Don't have auto steer.
You are the auto steer.
Got a fancy tractor, but no auto steer.
It's equipped. Like if we bought the fancy, what's it called? The globe thing?
Wait
The
on
beacon?
that. I got markers.
We have markers. Hey,
That's cheaper.
That's one step closer than when we were last year because
Yeah.
I was the marker. Chris and I were the markers last year.
Not too bad.
So is your marker the center of the tractor then?
Yep.
So like this is the center line.
Okay, we're in front of the hood. Trying to see it.
Get
It's
you
kind of
guys.
hard to see just because there's not a whole lot of moisture in the ground. But
You're planting the corn how deep?
About 2.5 inches.
And do you know what your stuff is? That,
What?
I mean, I know that it's F2F, but do you know what your germ is and any of that?
No, but it's 115 days.
Okay. So today is, I don't even know what today is. So today's the 28th of May. This will put corn silage when?
Probably sometime, I would say, first part of September, maybe the mid-September, somewhere in there.
I was going to say, yeah, because it has to be after I come back from Farm Progress Show. Because that's the last week of August.
I think it's a mid.
I'll be there, guys. You'll have to find me. You guys can, I'll tell you more about it when it gets closer, but
Big things happening.
Big things happening, yeah. Big things, big exciting things are happening. I don't know if he'll be at Farm Progress Show. It's really hard for both of us to leave at the same time and keep everything going. Isn't it? So, he handles the cows, the kids, everything in between for a few days so I can come and hang out with you guys, so. Good? Okay. Alright, I'm going back to finish up. I jumped in with him after we worked, well, he worked on it. Because I was doing chores while he fixed it. Go finish up. I gotta get him some more inrows and just do the last little bit and then we'll be done. Woo-hoo. One job done. Alright, I think I might go jump back in the planter with Jason for a little while. What do you say? Unless he wants me to do something else. Hey, am I supposed to go on and head over to the 3-acre patch, or you want me to wait, or what do you want me to do? Or are we just going to take it all tomorrow?
And then just look at this, and then it'll be okay over there.
So go ahead and head over there.
No, we can do it tomorrow.
Alright, I'd rather just do it tomorrow. Let's just get done here and we can get up in the morning and do it tomorrow. It won't take this long. I'm just pooped.
I'd better get that done and then just mow maybe.
Alright, well you need me to mow or are you going to just mow by yourself or what?
I don't know yet.
Okay, well on your next pass come back and pick me up. I probably should move this out of the way. Helps if you put it in gear. Move this down a little bit because he's going to want to bring in the planter. Alright, well, I hope you guys had fun today. A little bit different content, not just hanging around here. So, yeah. I'll see you in the next one. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day, evening, whatever you guys are up to. Thanks for being a part of our farm, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
So,
Huh?
not used to all this stuff. We gotta have more seeds.
Well, we have it. It's just not back here.
Oh, there's a seed.
There's a seed.
It's not very deep though.
There's a
That's
seed.
not very deep.